Via at Braemar. This is one of Kingston's finest. Some people compare it to a 5-star luxury hotel. Very clean, very slick. I saw some glimpses of inside because they recently had a grand opening party, and it looks beautiful. So if any of you guys have any link, if any of you guys own an apartment, if any of you guys can make a contact so I can do an inside review, or review one of the rooms, even the penthouse, that would be awesome. I know everybody, well, I know a lot of persons who watches the channel, and I know everyone knows somebody, and probably a owner is even watching the channel as well. So if you guys can, give me a chance to do a review of inside, that would be lovely, because I saw some pictures and it really looks good. As usual, guys, remember to like this video, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to comment, and remember to share as well. As usual, this is a drone video, so we'll definitely send up the drone. And I think this apartment moved pretty quickly. I think this apartment started after the Cambridge, which is still not fully complete, and they're finished. So, people is saying that this is luxury at its best. So we're on Braemar Avenue, and then beside it was an empty lot. So they finally started some development now. And what I realized a lot of time, a big popular apartment will come through and be very successful, and then a neighbor either convert their single family home, or the owner of an empty lot, use the energy, or probably it's a good business sense, and they just develop their neighboring lot as well, which usually do well, because of the boost from a structure, from the boost of a development like this one. Because I'm sure just this alone will send up the property prices in this community, on this road, for the neighbors. So I think probably it's good business sense for the neighbor to convert their lot or to develop their lot, and I've seen it a lot of time. So again, guys, let me know what you think. Via at Braemar finally finished. We'll send up the drone, we'll get some aerial shots. They have a rooftop pool, they have a lot of gardenness towards it, a lot of nature. I think that was a big part of the concept. What I'll do as well is to put a link in the comments for one of the previous videos I did on this development before they finished. But now this is the finished product. I think probably the rooms are ready to be occupied. I see curtain at some of the rooms already. So I think this may be our final outside video, unless one of you guys can get me inside. And we know we do updates and reviews of these apartments from foundation straight to completion, and then once it's completed, we try to get a inside tour where possible. Sometimes they do have an open house, where you can come through, but sometimes it's already sold out, so you may not get that opportunity. But I like the design. What do you guys think? Again, leave your thoughts in the comments. Comment. Alright, guys, so again, drone video coming. Bye.